Hey guys, this is Olivia with Mangat Plastic Surgery, Esthetician and Laser Tech, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about CoolSculpting. CoolSculpting is a non-invasive procedure that slims and contours the body by destroying fat cells. And we're going to talk to you a little bit about how it works today. And I have Miss Heidi here that's going to kind of ask some questions, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to post them to Facebook.
Thank you. Olivia has been doing CoolSculpting here at Mangat Plastic Surgery Institute Skincare for years, and I have seen the magic of her work, but tell us about the technology behind the magic and how it works.
So CoolSculpting utilizes a technology called cryolipolysis, which sounds very fancy. Cryolipolysis, what it means is we're using extreme cold to destroy fat cells. And actually, by doing this, we're destroying the fat cells permanently.
Permanently?
Mm-hmm, permanently. So once the fat cells are gone, they are gone for good. Sometimes it requires several treatments to get them to the point where you're happy, usually between 2 to 3 treatments, I would say. But yes, once we destroy those fat cells in the area, they are gone for good.
So your body just kind of absorbs them and they go away?
So what we're doing, technically, it takes a little bit of time for CoolSculpting to work, so it's not an overnight thing, unfortunately. Usually, I would say the most dramatic results are seen in about 2 months, but CoolSculpting can get better and better for up to 6 months. What we're doing is we're damaging the cells, and then it takes a little while for them to die off, and then your body just flushes them out naturally.
Wow. Okay, does it hurt?
So CoolSculpting, some of the applicators use suction. So what it's doing is it suctions the fat into the device, and that process can be a little pinchy. The plus side is it's only for about 10 minutes or so, and then once the machine reaches temperature, which is about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, once it reaches that temperature, then the area goes numb and you don't feel much at all. So it's about 10 minutes of pinchiness from those applicators that suction. After that, it's very comfortable.
And how long does each treatment last?
So each treatment is about an hour long. Sometimes, like I said, people will usually need about 2 to 3 treatments. I can tell you how many treatments you would need by coming in and I can look at you. Also, a lot of times people need more than 1 applicator. So if we're treating the tummy, a lot of times we need to put 2 applicators, sometimes 3 on the stomach area. Everyone's a little different, so that's why I recommend most of my clients come in ahead of time just for a quick consult so I can get my eyes on you.
What are some other areas besides the tummy or the stomach that you treat?
Sure. So a really popular area would be the love handle area. So hips, that's very popular. We can also treat under the chin, armpit fat, belly, in between the thighs, outer thighs, pretty much anywhere that you have pinchable, pullable fat, I can treat.
Wow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And how long did you say it takes before you see results? Say a patient needs 3 treatments. Mm-hmm. What is the process for how your body metabolizes the fat freezing and you start to get that trimmer look?
Sure. So most times I would say if somebody needs 3 treatments, I would say it's probably going to be after your 2nd treatment, and keep in mind we want to space these treatments 1 month apart from one another. If you need 3, it's probably going to be about 3 weeks after your 2nd treatment that you're going to start to notice results. So this is something that you really want to plan ahead for. If you have a vacation coming up, like I would probably say let's book this like 3 or 4 months in advance.
So patience.
Yeah, patience. There's some patience involved with CoolSculpting, but it's worth it. I promise, it's worth it.
And how long do the results last?
So like I said, they are permanent actually. We're destroying those fat cells completely. Now we do recommend, if we treated the tummy, say we did 2 to 3 areas and we get rid of those fat cells permanently, any fat cells that remain in the area, if you put on weight, can expand. So what we recommend is that you maintain a healthy weight. If you put on weight, it's possible that any of the remaining fat cells in that area can expand, making the area appear larger. So if you just have a few stubborn pockets of fat and you're pretty good at maintaining a healthy diet and exercise program like most people in our valley are, CoolSculpting is perfect for you. But like I said, the fat cells, once we destroy them, they're gone for good.
So whether it's a small area or a larger area, all they need to do is call and come in and have a consult with you.
Yep. So you can just call the office, maybe plan for about 10 to 15 minutes so I can get my eyes on you, and then I would be able to tell you exactly how many treatments you would need, whether it's 1 to 3, how long you would be here for a treatment, and how many treatments we need to do.
Great.
Yeah.
So call the office at 970-766-3223. You can also go online to mangatplasticsurgery.com, and if you're following us on Facebook, you can rewatch this session and learn more.
Definitely. And also, I want to let you guys know, I am planning on doing a live demonstration for CoolSculpting on our Instagram account. So if you want to look for that later this week, I will be posting that as well if you're interested to see how it works.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Olivia.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks, guys.